Nonro mabende otim kod duol noero mar Nakada nyiso ni madho kong'o Asasa osemedore mokalo e kind rowere manitiere e kind higni 15 nyaka 17. Kaluwore kod duol noero mar Nakada, math mar kong'o kod mira e moko kuom yedhe mamero ji mabende rowere tiyo godo e yo marach e kor gwenge ma pacho ka. Nakada kata kamano olando biro chako timo apedha mager ne manyo centers mago eko mag rehabilitation centers mabende wuondore ni chiwo counseling ne jogo eko moseti Asasa kod yedhe mamero ji kata jogo eko madhombo luongo ni drug addicts manitiere kor gwenge ma pacho ka.
When you're looking at the status in our school programs, in current use for primary school, we've also been able to do studies in primary schools. You can see our students in primary are taking alcohol, tobacco, mira, and even cannabis.
I therefore invite you to partner with us in reaching out to all the society. We are open to work with all like-minded institutions and individuals towards realization of a society free from alcohol and drug abuse.
Seeing now an emerging trend in the use of cannabis edibles. You know, in the earlier days, I think cannabis was just restricted towards, smoking. But now we are seeing now confectionaries, the industry around confectionaries. I think we are seeing now more and more, demand for edibles. For example, the wheat cookies are very common. Also, the mabuyu are now actually being, being laced with cannabis. And also even sweets, which are actually made of cannabis. So I think we are seeing, and some of these products, the products are very, very common.
Kenya, I want to say categorically, it is illegal. Until such a time when Kenyans themselves, because it is in the constitution of Kenya, amending the constitution requires the Kenyan public to say that they would like to amend that clause. So until such time, marijuana is illegal, and we want to discourage such discussion because we are now trying to promote drug abuse.